Michael and Michelle Ormsby in Plainville, Connecticut, in our brand new gorgeous kitchen from Fine Home Contracting. We have nothing but amazing things to say about them. Always professional, responsive. All of their tradesmen were amazing. Definitely 5-star service, especially Fred, our project manager, who has been so great through all of this, through a very stressful, what should have been a very stressful process, was a very easy, smooth process. And he was so responsive and on top of everything that I'd say we even consider him a friend at this point.
I would definitely recommend Fine Home Contracting. I loved Co-Construct, which is an app they give you. So basically you know exactly where you are in the process every day. And not that our project manager didn't talk to us almost every day, but you can look on an app and know exactly where you are in the process and who's going to be in your house that day.
So we definitely recommend them to anybody asking, and we'll continue to recommend them to everyone we talk to.
Thank you.